These are the elevators at the Best Western Plus Siesta Key Gateway in Sarasota, Florida. So we're gonna ride this, well actually there's two of them. There's one on the other side of the hotel, but we're gonna ride these general elevators from 1986. Here we go. Also, this is the only elevator that has chimes. The other elevator on the other side of the hotel does not. Here's your inspection certificate. £2,500 capacity, as you see. Here is your emergency phone. We're going to get off on 2. Here's a look at an intermediate call station. Alright, now let's go to the other elevator on the other side of the hotel. You can see it as soon as I get my camera in focus. You see it right there. We're going to start off by going down. As you can see, this is fairly early in the morning, so the sun is right there. Because this is, 7:37 in the morning. The sun rose maybe about, 45 minutes ago. I don't think that works, but I can't tell because of the sunlight. We're gonna go one. Here's your emergency phone in this one. As you hear, no chimes. And the button doesn't go out until the door is fully open. The 4 button is burned out. Now let's go to 1. We're going to end it on 2. Door close does not work. There it goes. And that'll be it.